Welcome to my channel. My name is Faith Dodger and I'm literally the girl next door. Southend-on-sea is celebrating having been granted city status by having the Festival of Light called Luminocity. If you are interested in seeing what it's like and how beautiful it looks tonight, then watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. This installation is called submergence, a hybrid environment where virtual and physical worlds coincide. Submergence is a large immersive walkthrough experience. It uses many thousands of individual points of suspended light to create feelings of presence and movement within physical space. The piece moves through several movements, creating a semi-linear 12-minute piece. In its entirety, an abstract and narrative is formed with a gradual increase in tension, building to a final climax. Each movement has its own elements, atmosphere, and responsiveness. They are also all open to one's own interpretation. This installation is called Angels of Freedom, a stark reminder that everybody counts, is amazing and in need of love and care. It has already been seen at worldwide light festivals from Berlin to Jerusalem, Frankfurt, Lausanne, and many others. But this concept has also found home as a communicative permanent installation in several metropoles of the world. Radiance. The Cliff Gardens and Pia Piazza steps offer another fantastic lightscape for visitors. Drawing on inspiration from Never Never Land of yesteryear, which left a marked impression on him as a child in the 1960s, Andy Barak Smith, owner of local company IADWM, It's All Done with Mirrors, lit up individual trees and used floodlights to create an illuminated backdrop of changing colors. The steps from the high street to the pier turned into a stairway of light. The installation was sponsored by Genting Casino, Westcliff. Scribble trees. Light and nature coming together in a dazzling spectrum on Royal Square. Connecting the high street to the seafront, Royal Square became a rainbow of color with two neon light adorned trees. During the day, they would glow gently. At night, the trees would come to life, creating a kaleidoscope of color. Taking inspiration from the neon tree displayed at Canary Wharf, groups, winter lights, Southend Luminocity scribble trees were made up of 700 meters of energy-efficient LED neon rope lights. Colored light awakes emotions, and everyone is curious about the feeling of sitting on light. The interaction of light and colors removes the objects from their conventional context and opens a new perception of the environment to the viewer. At the same time, light also stands for life and communication. House of Cards. An imposing installation comprising of 125 individual designed playing cards. This monumental light and sound installation was made up of 125 oversized playing cards that featured original compositions from international artists from previous installations. Colorful and radiant during the day, the cards' crisp white lines and colorful images would dazzle, but the installation was transformed into a choreographed light show at night. The cards were illuminated with an animated program that created the illusion of the House of Cards rising, collapsing, and being rebuilt again. Well, everyone was battling the dance fever pandemic. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.